Let's create this Instagram reel about your outfit of the day with transitions using Canva. Let's go. From your Canva homepage, just go to Create and we're going to select the format TikTok or Instagram reel, depending on which video you want to produce. By doing so, you'll start already in the right format, okay? So first thing I like to do is always to upload my video. For doing that, you have to click on Uploads and upload your own video. In some cases, you can also go to the Canva library in Elements and select Outfit. And then you're going to see some videos here. Well, of course, if this is for TikTok and Reels, you will be showing your own style, your own video, your own outfit, okay? But in some cases, if you need something else, you know that you can search for videos here within the Canva library, okay? I am going to start with this video here. When you upload your video, it will be set as background. If not, I recommend you to double click here and select here will be like set the video as a background. That's easier to work this way. What I was thinking of creating for this specific Instagram reel or TikTok video is something very bold with outfit of the day in a very nice modern font matching to the video's aesthetics. So we're going to add this font now and a font effect that I like to create to match with that vibe, okay? So we're going to go to text, add a text box. Let me just make it bigger so you can see it. And we're going to type outfit of the day. Let's go and select the font that I was thinking for this occasion, and it's called Symphony. That's a free font here in the Canva library. Now we're going to make some adjustments to make this look really nice and stand out. So let's just put outfit of the day into sentences. And let's make this spacing, let's reduce the spacing. I'm going to make this bigger and reduce a little bit more the space. I think, yeah, that will be fine. For this to work in the purpose that I was imagining it, I want to add an effect for the text. So go to Effects, and we're going to select Outline, and we're going to go for a 50 of thickness. I'm going to change this color. I had already something in mind. If you want, you can copy the same color hacks, okay? But I still want to make this bigger. Let me select the whole text. Let's go for 235, something like this. I'll see the line spacing didn't completely work because it was not like matching. This is fine. And now you're going to center this or to place this a bit down like here. Let's see how it goes with the video. As you can see down there, the text is like an extra layer within this composition. Okay, we have the background and we have now the text. Here you can play and reduce the timing of the text if you want to have more video than the text, for instance, and you can see if you like that. For this tutorial, I want to leave this outfit of the day throughout the whole video, okay? So we are going to extend it more as we add more videos to it. Now I still want to say what is this outfit, so I want to add a text box. Let's go now to Elements, Frames. I will use this frame here. And now I want a very sleek font to combine with that because that font is already very different. So let's go for Arimun. It's also a free font in the Canva library. Let's put the size like, I think 26 is super good. And let's add something like my office look. Here, let's make it uppercase. So I'm just going to click here. And let's adjust this box to make it look nice. This is fine. Let's change its color now. So I want it to be the same color that we used here for this outline. And I want to position this text behind the text which says outfit of the day. So we're going now to position and set it to the back. I like that they kind of interact together a bit. Let's see if everything is centered. I'm not sure. Let's check position. Yes, this is centered. Let's see this one. Also centered. Okay. I like it better when it goes just a bit more down, like this. This is super cool. Now we have to pay attention because the layers here can get messy, okay? So here I'm going to just move it so that the duration of my office look will be exactly when this video ends, okay? And the outfit of the day, we can add this later on. We can already move it, you see, but we don't know how long the video will be. Now we're going to add one more video. When you know the length of your video, I wanted this to be like even a bit shorter. Let's reduce it for 4.5 seconds and reduce everything. I want all the videos to have the same length. So the easiest way to go is to select this and duplicate. And now we are going to change the video here. You can upload your new video here. Let me do the same. So this is my second video. As you see, because we stretched here the layer outfit of the day, it's already there. But now we just need this text box. What I like to do is I'm just going to duplicate it and you can grab it. You see down here, you can grab it and you can move it towards the second frame that you have here. This frame is a bit bigger. I have here 4.5 seconds, here 5. Let's leave it at 5. Let's increase it just a little bit. And here we are going to type my casual look. We're going to change the color of this box now just for people to see that we changed something within each frame. And of course, then we have to make this readable. So we are going to select the text here and change its color as well to make it look nice and with a transition, like more action. As you saw in the introduction, we are going to add here a transition. So when you go down here, let me see if I can make this bigger. If I zoom it here, I can just, well, make it longer. Maybe it's nice for you to control if you have shorter videos, okay? But I thought you could see, yes, here. If I do it like this, maybe you can see this better in this tutorial. Now we are going to add transitions. As I said, you just click here. When you click like between, it's difficult to see sometimes here in Canva, right? But when you just hover over your mouse between the two video frames, you will see that you can either add a different media or you can add a transition. That's where we are going to click now. And here you can try and you can play with the transitions to see which you like the most. Let me see if I do it like this. I think this one is kind of nice. You can dissolve, circle. Match and move is a very used one and super nice because it matches both frames. Let me see if I can show that to you. You can play and test. It matches the frame like quite perfectly. But I think for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to add this line swipe. Yes, because then you see the changes of the outfit. It's more visual. I really like that. Let's just play with the duration. The direction, yes, I want that to appear this way. This is already nice. Let's see if we can just increase just a little bit of duration. I like that for the drama. So let's see. Nice. I really like it. You see, we already have something simple, but because we are adding some style in the font and we have this transition, we have the changes in color, which is enough. So we are not robbing the attention completely from the video. So we are just adding the style that this video needs, okay? You can go and add more videos to it. I would always keep the same transition so it's not messy, it's kind of fluent and it's not so distractive. Let's go and add the last video, like a fitness look. We had the box here, white and now black, and now let's go for white again. I'm just copying and pasting it here now, like Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, and I'm just grabbing that and placing it in the right position. I'm going to reduce a little bit here this frame. And As you see, the outfit of the day doesn't go to the end, so we're going to adjust that as well to match the whole video. And instead of having here my office look, now we can change it for my fitness look. You see here the transition, they don't come automatically, so you have again to hover over till you find these two icons. Go to add transition. Let's do the line wipe and let's add 7 seconds. Let me just check. I think that's exactly what we did before. I just want to keep things the same. Oh no, wait, 8. So let's go here and let's change this for 8. Well, maybe now that I look at the whole composition, we could make it just a bit smaller because we are robbing just a bit of the attention of the outfit. And I think this will work. Yeah, this works better. It fits with the outfit. It fits with the style, the vibe of this video. I can place it just like a bit more down, but not so further down because here you will have all of these profile image and the beginning of the caption. So if you place it like below this line, this is going to be like interacting with this profile and likes and everything that goes here in this direction. I always leave this space for me, something that my eye got used to that. For you, it's just like leave this last 1/4 of the screen without any text, anything, because it's going to overlay with the other text from Instagram or from TikTok, okay? You can add your audio from here, from the Canva library. If you're a business, just remember to add commercial sounds so you don't have any legal issues by adding some not commercial music, and the label will not find this nice. You'll probably have to pay some fees for that. So just pay attention. If you're a business, to use commercial sounds, you can choose them within the platforms that you want to upload this video to, or you can choose here within the Canva library. You click here, and here you can go, okay, if I show you royalty-free music, then it's going to be filtering by royalty-free music that you can use if you are a business. So let's just add like chill tones. This is nice. You add it there. And then you have like a video that is complete now, and you can go and share it. Just click here on download, select MP4 video, leave the quality like this, because even if you think, oh, 4K is super good, the problem is that the platforms are going to compress your video and sometimes it loses the quality. So it's better you leave it like that for streaming, and then you download it. Now you just have to upload it to your favorite platform. Let me know in the comments if you like this, if this was helpful for you. I would love to hear from you. See you in the next video.